Okay, so we are on the valve cover, or the rocker cover, whatever you prefer to call it. And part of the package when you purchase the head, as I've said before, is we get all these new gaskets and stuff. Obviously, I've used a bunch of them as I've gone. And I had to prep the cover for the new injector seats and everything. And then it was all covered in dirt and stuff. And then the OCD sort of kicked in a little bit, and then the ADHD kicked in a little bit, and now I'm cleaning the entire thing because it's going to upset me too much if I have just a little bit of clean and the rest is yuck and dirty. So we're going to spend a bit of time making this all pretty, and then what I was trying to avoid, but I'm not going to be able to now because it's settled in. I didn't bother cleaning the front of the timing case because it wasn't important, like it's just cosmetic, but now that I'm doing the top cover, I'm going to have to go ahead and do this because it's going to irritate me to no end if I don't. So yeah, fun times.